students. In this video we are going to learn the second way of construction of triangle when one of the base angle and the difference of remaining two sides is given. So for that I have taken one example from exercise 4.2, that is question number 1, in which we are going to construct triangle XYZ where base YZ is given 7.4 centimeter. One of the base angle is given, that is 45 degree, and the difference between the remaining two sides, that is XY minus XZ, is given 2.5 centimeter. So in this type of examples we have to think properly what difference is given, XY minus XZ. So in this, first we are going to draw the rough diagram. So for that we have to draw the base first. So base is 7.4. So this is 7.4 YZ. Then we have to draw angle Y. XYZ means angle Y. It is 45 degree. But before drawing this angle Y, we have to see the difference between two sides is 2.5. Which two sides are given and in what order these two sides are given. Now here this is segment YZ. That means the third vertex X will be on this side. So XY minus XZ, that means this side is longer than XZ. XY is longer than XZ. So in this case, first we are going to draw an angle of measure 45 degree. So this ray we have to draw of longer length. In this way we have to draw it. After drawing this angle of measure 45 degree, the difference between the remaining two sides is 2.5, that we have to take from point Y in this way. So this is 2.5. So 2.5 centimeter. After getting this point, this is a point which is outside the name of the triangle, so it will be named, suppose, W. So we have to draw segment WZ. In this way we can draw segment WZ. After drawing segment WZ, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment WZ in this way. Then here we get the third vertex of the triangle, that is X. After that we have to join these 2 points, that is X and Z. So in this way we can construct this triangle. Now we will actually construct this triangle. So for that, first of all we have to take base YZ of 7.4 centimeter. We are going to draw base YZ of 7.4 centimeter. So this is Y and Z. After that we are going to draw an angle of measure 45 degree. So place this protractor on vertex Y and measure the angle of 45 degree. After measuring an angle of 45 degree, we have to draw a longer ray. We don't know the position of vertex X, therefore we have to draw a longer ray in this way. Now after drawing a ray, we have to take the difference between the remaining two sides, that is 2.5. So take the distance 2.5 and by that distance we have to draw arc. So here we got the point W. After getting this point W, we have to join that W with Z in this way. So this is vertex W. After that we have to draw perpendicular bisector of WZ. So for that we have to take more than half distance. So this is more than half distance. Draw arc on both sides of WZ. And after that draw a line passing through these point of intersections. So this is perpendicular bisector of segment WZ, and the point that we get here is X, and after that we have to draw segment XZ. So in this way we can construct this type of triangle. Now in this case, this is one case in which the side on left is greater than or longer than side on right side. In other case, we can get an example in which the side on right side is longer than side on left side. So in the next example we are going to take such example. Students, now we are going to take third example of exercise 4.2, in which we are going to construct triangle ABC where base BC is 6 cm, base angle ABC is 100 degree, and the difference between the remaining two sides is 2.5 centimeter. Now here we are going to draw rough figure first. So for that, first of all we have to draw base BC. So this is base BC. Then we have to draw an angle of measure 100 degree. So let it be an angle of measure 100 degree. Now suppose here the point A is there. Now AC is longer than AB, and the difference between the length of AC and length of AB is 2.5. So for that, here we have to extend this ray on the opposite side up to 2.5. So for that, here we have to draw a ray on opposite side also in this way. Now whatever the difference is there between the remaining two sides, that we have to take on this side in this way. After that, here we have to draw this segment, let it be point D. So we have to draw segment DC, and then we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DC, and after that we can draw segment AC in this way. So this is the construction about. Now we are going to draw analysis figure of this example. So first of all we have to take segment BC of length 6 centimeter. So segment BC. Now second step is we have to draw an angle of measure 100 degree. So this is an angle of measure 100 degree. So here we have to draw an angle in this way. At the same time we have to extend it on the opposite side. Now next step is the difference between the remaining two sides is 2.5. So that measure we have to take as radius. So this is 2.5. By taking measure 2.5 we have to draw arc that will give us point D. So this is point D. After getting point D we have to draw segment CD. We have to draw segment CD. After drawing segment CD, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment CD. So for that we have to take more than half distance. So in this way we can take more than half distance. After that intersect it from the other point. So here we got the 2 point of intersections. Now draw a line passing through these 2 points in this way. Now after that here we got the third vertex of triangle, that is vertex A, and after that we have to join vertex A and vertex C. So generally while drawing such figures we require a longer scale. So in this way we can solve these examples. Again one more example is remaining from this exercise that you can go through. After complete study of these two examples you must be able to solve the third remaining example. You try it. If you are not getting the proper construction, you can make a call or you can WhatsApp me the remaining third example and get the answer or get the construction steps properly. So thank you.